Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying system details, open DXdiag to confirm DirectX version and Windows build so you know compatibility. Create a system restore point before making changes because rollbacks save time if something goes wrong. Close all games and related apps. Record the exact internal system error text and any codes. Once done, you'll have a safe snapshot and the error details that guide which files or drivers to replace, so you can proceed with targeted fixes rather than guessing. Next, update the GPU driver using the vendor's installer, AMD, NVIDIA, or Intel, because vendor packages include DirectX component fixes that Windows Update may omit. Run dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to repair the image, then sfc/scano to restore corrupted system files. These commands address internal DirectX DLL mismatches. Make sure to check Windows Update for optional DirectX or driver patches, and reboot after each major step, so file locks clear and replacement files register properly. Finally, reinstall the DirectX end-user runtime and all relevant Visual C++ redistributables that games commonly require, because missing runtime components often cause internal system errors. Test the problematic app and immediately check Event Viewer under System and Application for faulting modules. If the error persists, perform a clean boot to eliminate third-party conflicts, and consider rolling back to an older GPU driver known to be stable. One key trouble.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.